Hey everyone, welcome. Looking to buy some XRP? Well, I'll show you the best and safest ways to buy it in 2025. So the easiest way to buy XRP is through a regulated and trusted exchange. So the best options include, you have them on the screen. The first one is Binance, global access and low fees. Then we have Kraken, US friendly with bank transfers. The third one we have is Bitstamp, long-standing and XRP focused. And the last one is eToro, great for beginners, includes copy trading. So you need to sign up on either of these platforms and complete the KYC verification. You will need a ID and sometimes proof of address. This usually takes a few minutes to a few hours. Add money to your account using a bank transfer, debit card, or crypto deposit. Bank transfers usually have lower fees, but cards are faster. Then you just go to the trade section, as you can see, like on Binance, for example. Then you choose how much XRP you want to buy, and it will show you how much you spend. Then you press buy, for example, let us buy 1 or 1,000, buy XRP. And you'll be taken to your account, of course, where you will add your payment methods after verification. And this way you can buy XRP easily. So if this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tutorials. And that's pretty much it. See you in the next one, guys.